I love you, Grandma.
You already. This one right here goes out to everybody who lost their moms. I feel y'all pain. Y'all feel mines. I can't really say too much. Fuck it. Let me tell you about the love of my life. Before my daughter, she was my wife. After my daughter, she was my mistress. Don't forget this, as God is my witness. My queen and my princess. My queen went missing. She was right in front of me, but not in my vision. I'm not kidding. They had my queen in a dungeon, hidden. I got the nights out, veins pump vengeance. I'm mad cause I won't see her smile. But I got a question, did I make you proud? I know I sold drugs, hung out with the wrong crowd. I know you expected more from your firstborn child, and I'm so sorry, couldn't hold you down. Gotta pick up your ashes to hold you now. Even blind folks see what I go through now. Sayera good, but she realized you not around. You will always be a queen in my eyes. I know you standing by me, so I won't look in the sky. I swear my soul left me when I heard you die. I couldn't do nothing, all I did was cry. God took you, he know I was scared to fly. Ready for anything, but nobody's forbid to die. In your memory, no, I won't lick in the sky. Take a sip and get high, I just try to survive. No matter what you did, I will always love you. I had every chance, now I can't hug you. To think about it, I'm alone in the struggle. Everywhere I go, I condone into trouble. But I know you see I've grown to be humble. People looked at you and said, guess what a son do? But look at him, he's handsome. He's who I'm going to school. You pimpin' hoes talking about my son, it's a whole two. Fiends come, you point like he the one to go to. I break you off PC, just on GP. Cause you my moms and you know how the streets be. No matter what you did, never thought you was beneath me. All your nieces love you. Nene, TT, Kaya, Quaya, Zaza's, Easy's, Mashura sends her love. So do Miss Niecy. Taisha loves you too, this shit ain't easy. You will always be a queen in my eyes. I know you standing by me, so I won't look in the sky. I swear my soul left me when I heard you die. I couldn't do nothing, all I did was cry. God took you, he know I was scared to fly. Ready for anything, but nobody's forbid to die. In your memory, no, I won't lick in the sky. Take a sip and get high, I just try to survive. I had my bags packed, love, why did you leave me? Life was hard, I didn't make it easy. I meant to do right, ma, hope you believe me. I cry when I see Nerve, she cry when she see me. Linda took it hard, Londa kinda breezy. Charlie B and Grandma tryna take it easy. Eric real tough, but the pain I can see. I talk to myself, can't explain it to me. My soul on a plane that remains in the sea. I'm stuck, and I can't escape from defeat. My Aunt Crystal loved you to your name, she still speak. I awake from my sleep, hoping it was all a dream, knowing I won't see, touch, or hear you speak. For that reason, I can't remain in the street. Gotta be the man you wanted to raise me to be. So I stand, and I arise from defeat. You will always be a queen in my eyes. I know you standing by me, so I won't look in the sky. I swear my soul left me when I heard you die. I couldn't do nothing, all I did was cry. God took you, he know I was scared to fly. Ready for anything, but nobody's forbid to die. In your memory, no, I won't lick in the sky. Take a sip and get high, I just try to survive. I know I did a lot of stupid shit. I'm glad you was here to meet Sayera. I'm mad you ain't gonna be here to see when I make it to the top. You gonna see when I make it. You just ain't gonna be here to enjoy my fruits and labors, you feel me? I don't know. I love you though. Everybody who got their moms, no matter what she doing, just stop her and give her a hug. Tell her you love her. She ain't gonna be here forever. It's your boy Ski Black. It's another mob movement.